Most YouTube content about AI and marketing sells prompt packs. Type these magic words into ChatGPT, get better marketing. Wrong altitude. The real skill in 2026 is not prompt engineering. It is stack assembly. 5 tools, configured once, that turn AI from a typing assistant into a marketing department. Here is the actual stack. Every piece runs at small business prices. Every move is finishable this month. Move 1. Build a brand twin inside Claude projects or a ChatGPT custom GPT. Open Claude. Create a project. In the project knowledge, upload 30 of your best email sends as PDFs, your last 4 quarterly reports, your customer research transcripts if you have them, and your 3 top landing pages. In the system prompt, set 5 rules. Voice register, sentence length target, forbidden vocabulary, what to do when uncertain, when to escalate to a human. From this moment forward, every email, page, and ad first draft starts inside that project. Output 10 will still feel 80%. Output 30 will sound like you. The brand twin is the asset. Claude is just the container. This single move kills brand voice drift before it starts. Move 2. Run Monday research in Perplexity Pro Spaces. 20 minutes. 3 saved queries that run every Monday at 9. Query 1. What did your 3 named competitors post, publish, or launch this week? Query 2. What is trending on your 3 top subreddits? Top complaints summarized. Query 3. Last 20 reviews on your G2, Trustpilot, or Yelp page. What changed? Perplexity does the scrape, the read, the synthesis. Gemini Deep Research is the alternative if you live inside Google Workspace. 20 minutes every Monday, and you have a research briefing your competitors do not have because they are still doing it manually or not at all. Move 3. Wire your CRM to AI through Make or N8N. This is what AI marketing automation actually looks like. Not a tool you log into, a pipe you build once and forget. Concrete pipeline. Webhook from your contact form into a Make scenario. Make pulls the leads company info from Clearbit. Make calls the ChatGPT API with the brand twin's voice baked into the system prompt. Make drafts a personalized first reply. The draft lands in your inbox. You spend 2 minutes reviewing. Send. $40 a month. 20 for Make, 20 for the API. 6 to 8 hours a week back. This is the move that beats prompt fatigue because the prompt is written once, in the pipe, and never again. Move 4. The Friday 10 variant ad workshop. Pick the channel with paid spend. Meta, Google, LinkedIn, YouTube hooks. Open the brand twin. Prompt. Generate 10 variants of this hook for this audience. Each variant must use a different angle. Outcome, status, contrarian, statistic, story, list, urgency, identity, peer comparison, before and after. Ship the top 3 on 10% of budget. Kill 9 of them by Wednesday. The winner becomes next week's control. 12 Fridays of this, and you have 120 live experiments behind you. The team next door has 12. That is the AI compound problem flipped. Every Friday, your taste sharpens on real data instead of taste collapse on the open web median. Move 5. Replace your weekly status report with an automated Monday brief. Most marketing teams burn 4 to 6 hours every week assembling status updates. Stop. Build 1. Make scenario that pulls last week's metrics from MailChimp or Klaviyo, ad spend from Meta and Google, traffic from Plausible or GA, top 3 LinkedIn posts by engagement, and pipes them into a ChatGPT API call. The call writes a 1-page brief in your brand twin voice every Monday at 7 a.m. Founder reads it over coffee. The team starts the week aligned. 6 hours a week reclaimed for actual thinking. All 5 share one mechanism. The leverage is the configured stack, not the tools. Anyone can subscribe to ChatGPT. The marketer with a brand twin loaded, a Perplexity Monday routine, a Make pipeline writing first replies, a Friday 10 variant loop, and an automated Monday brief is operating at 4 times the surface area of a marketer who has not assembled the same stack, without working more hours. Skip the assembly, and you take on judgment debt instead. Every AI-generated content draft, a small withdrawal you repay later in lost voice and flat campaigns. Most YouTube AI marketing content is selling you prompt packs. Prompt packs are the easy part. The real moat in 2026 is the stack assembly and the discipline to run it weekly. Here is your assignment for the next 90 days. Week 1. Stand up the brand twin. 2 hours. Week 2. Schedule the Perplexity Monday queries. 30 minutes. Week 3 and 4. Wire 1 make pipeline. Half a day. Month 2. Friday 10 variant workshop every Friday. Month 3. Automated Monday brief running unattended. That is what happens when AI runs your marketing. Everyone else is still typing into ChatGPT.